Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this small portable speaker. It's a very interesting speaker. It has a full 52mm diaphragm, which is supposed to support also decent bass sound, and we have a large battery built in with up to 12 hours of playtime, and we have a whopping 4 different possibilities how to play the sound. So we can use either a USB stick or a TF card, or we can use 3.5mm cable, or we can use it with wireless Bluetooth connection. So it's very versatile, can be used almost everywhere, at home, kitchen, office, at the beach, wherever you go. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, how to connect, how you can play that, and of course how good the sound really is. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. And so here we have the box, XZL BS01, also some of the features and specs. By the way, it's also supporting TWS, which means you can buy 2 of them and then use them as stereo speaker, one on the left side, one on the right side, and then have full stereo. And thanks to the Bluetooth connection and the built-in microphone, we can even use it to make phone calls. It has a one-button easy operation for phone calls, to take a call and to hang up a call. And here you get also an instructions manual. As you can see, it's pretty easy to be used. Comes also with a modern USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And so here's the speaker itself. Really nice, beautiful, absolutely awesome design. Watch this thing. Isn't that a beauty? Comes with this very solid strap, which you can use as a hook, maybe attach it to a backpack. And then this beautiful control. Large speaker here in the center is the opening for the bass sound to the side. Then also this soft rubber foot here, which provides a really solid stand, also preventing to scratch sensitive surface. And here, of course, on the back we have all the openings which allow for all these type of communication. Here the USB-C for the charging, USB-A to attach a USB stick with some audio, TF card reader, and 3.5mm jack. So let's see how easy it is to connect to Bluetooth. So let's long press here to turn it on. We get confirmation. Also really nice, beautiful light on the side. And so we are in the Bluetooth settings. Let's click on scan. If the BS01 doesn't show up, then I would recommend to use the M button. Here you can switch between local playing and Bluetooth playing with a short press. If you have 2 of these speakers, you can also use the M with a long press to connect both of the speakers. But here I have just one, so I connect this here. Click on that, connect pairing. Okay, got already confirmation. Here in the settings we can see we can connect it for calls and audio. And so I have some audio here. And so you can see we can turn down the volume directly on speaker by long pressing, or increase the volume here. Yeah, it was pretty loud. By the way, with a short press on minus and plus, you can also go back to the previous track or go to the next track, for example, like that. You can see, and we can easy stop it directly from here. And let's try if we can make a phone call. So we just push here and then we are live in the phone call. Absolutely awesome. Hang it up again. And so I've been doing a couple of phone calls and it worked absolutely awesome. Super stable, super reliable, easy to use. Really one button, take the call and hang it up again. And also the microphone has been working really good. Microphone test, microphone test, microphone test. I would say very decent for such a size of speakers. Thanks to these many ports here in the back, we have a huge variety of possibilities how we can connect it or how we can play. But of course on the other side there is no protection here, and so the waterproofness is a little bit limited. You have to be careful a little bit with that. Yeah, I would say a really fun thing, an absolute beauty with also decent sound for the size, very versatile. But of course the bass sound is a little bit limited, doesn't have the greatest bass sound, but I'm good with that, especially because of the size and transportability. Can definitely still help a lot to bring you some fun throughout the day. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.